Production of good products is inseparable from mold support. Zhenjian has rich experience in mold design and processing. The production process includes drilling and tapping, stamping, automated die casting, suitable for different products with different specifications. Polishing, injection molding of plastic parts. Each process is equipped with quality inspectors, prevent defective products from flowing into the next process. Of course, these are inseparable from the credit of the warehouse, product differentiation specification, placement management,